Not too long ago, Google had quietly released a new model with the launch of Gemini 3 computer use. This is a model, a specialized agent model that's built on the Gemini 3 Flash that can see and interact with websites and apps like a human. Instead of relying purely on APIs, it understands screenshots and performs real UI interactions like clicking, typing, scrolling, and filling out forms and so much more, even operating behind logins. In fact, what's funny is that just 2 days ago, Google had pushed this even further with the introduction of Agentic Vision, a new frontier capability that is now built within the Gemini 3 Flash that can turn image understanding from static tasks into agentic processes. And this is something that is now available with their computer use model by combining visual reasoning with code execution. This is one of the first tools supported by Agentic Vision. The model can ground its answers directly in visual evidence now, which delivers a consistent 5 to 10% quality boost across most vision benchmarks. But today, Google has taken another major step because they refined this computer use model and brought it directly into Chrome, embedding Gemini into the browser itself and effectively turning Chrome into an agentic AI browser. And just an FYI, this is currently only available to US users. It is going to be rolling out worldwide later on in the year, but currently only accessible to certain users in the States, which they are rolling out slowly. But essentially, Chrome is now powered by the Gemini 3 model, and this now includes a smarter AI side panel that helps users multitask across the web, bringing automation directly into Chrome. Gemini is also getting deeper integrations with Google Apps, so you can easily enable more efficient handling of complex multi step tasks through features like auto browsing. It can even deliver more context aware assistance and makes Gemini a full web browser that has AI assistance whenever you need it. Just take a look at this demo using the Gemini side panel within Chrome. You can automatically fill out this type form using your saved information that is actually stored within Chrome. It's a simple, clear instruction that you give to Gemini, and you can see how Gemini is able to eliminate this repetitive manual task of filling out all these different fields for you. What's even more impressive is that Gemini can also auto browse, as well as see across multiple tabs and take actions on your behalf, turning the browser into an active agent instead of a passive tool. What's nice is that you can also transform images directly on the web with Nano Banana. Google is also bringing Nano Banana's creative power straight into Chrome, which will let you edit and transform images on the fly without downloading files, re uploading images, or opening up another tab. All of this is available to all Gemini and Chrome users. You can simply just describe what you want on the side panel, and it is going to let you execute that task for you. Whether you're getting creative inspiration for a living room redesign, which you're seeing right now, or turning research data into clean, compelling infographics, this Nano Banana model is going to help you with visual creation, and it's going to make it super instant and frictionless. Also, just a quick note from our sponsor, Kimi K2.5 is free for 1 week on KiloCode. This isn't your average AI model. Kimi is a multimodal model that you can now even use images within, where you can prompt it to generate websites or front-end designs. Moonshot calls it a visual agentic intelligence model, and it's essentially strong for front-end coding. Getting started is super easy. Just grab the KiloCode VS Code extension, sign up for a free account, and pick the Moonshot Kimi K2.5 free version from your model list, and you can use it 100% for free this week. It's a perfect way to supercharge your coding workflow with Kimi. With Gemini in Chrome, Gemini now supports connected apps like Gmail, Calendar, YouTube, Maps, Google Shopping, and Google Flights. These integrations let you handle tasks faster and smarter, where you can even automate it with this model. For example, if you're traveling to a conference, Gemini can find that old email with your event details. It can check flights for you for recommendations and even draft an email to let your colleagues know your arrival time. You can enable these features in the connected apps section of the Gemini settings, making Chrome more than just a browser, but your built in AI assistant across Google apps. And soon they will be enabling access to other third party applications as well. A feature that will be coming in the coming months is personal intelligence, and this will make Chrome more personal and proactive because with personal intelligence, it is going to be available within Chrome, where it can connect to your apps as well as different sorts of opt-in metrics to give personal intelligence to the AI so that it can remember context from past interactions and it can give answers that are tailored for you. You can even add specific instructions to Gemini for even more personalized responses. This essentially turns Chrome from a general purpose browser into a trusted partner that provides relevant, proactive, and context aware assistance while you browse the web. This is obviously something that you can opt in, and it's not something that is 100% mandatory for everyone who uses Gemini in Chrome, obviously due to personal privacy concerns. And if you reckon, for years, Chrome had an autofill feature which handled all the small stuff like having it autofill addresses or credit cards to help you finish tasks faster. Now it's leveling up so that you can have Chrome use auto browse too, which is available to AI Pro and Ultra subscribers in the US, which can take on multi step tasks for you. This is something that will roll out to everyone in the near future, where it can optimize your vacation planning by comparing hotel and flight costs. You can also schedule appointments, fill out forms, collect tax documents. You can even manage subscriptions and even renew your driver's license with this feature, saving you tons of time. Auto browse is a feature that also works with more complex tasks. Planning a Y2K themed party, give it a photo of an inspiration that you want the Gemini model to identify items, search for similar products, and add them to your cart so that you can stay in budget and even apply discounts. This is with permissions, and it can even use Google's password manager to sign in automatically. And to get started with this, you obviously need to be in the US. And essentially, on the top right, you will see this Gemini button. You need to be on the latest update of Chrome. And then you need to click on this Gemini button and opt in to the AI plan. If you opt in, you're going to be able to then access the AI assisted side panel. But essentially, with this agentic browser now, you have it so that you can automate a lot of repetitive tasks, especially have it integrated with different apps like summarizing reviews for the sleeping bag. And you can see that it is going to be able to provide live assistance for you and then have it use many of these features like Gemini Live, where you can even talk to the AI directly within your browser to get agentic assistance. If you like this video and would love to support the channel, you can consider donating to my channel through the super thanks option below. Or you can consider joining our private Discord, where you can access multiple subscriptions to different AI tools for free on a monthly basis, plus daily AI news and exclusive content, plus a lot more. The only downside of this is that it's not available anywhere else other than the States, which is definitely a bummer because I do want to try this out and see how well it's able to automate my browsing. This is something that will be available to most users in the States currently. And if you want to use the auto browse feature, you will need to have a Gemini Pro and Ultra tier. So just keep that in mind. But with that thought, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video and got some sort of value. It is definitely insane that Google is focusing a bit more on the agentic browser phase now. So that is definitely great to see. And there's going to be a lot more improvements coming out in the near future. But with that thought, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video and got some sort of value out of it. Make sure you go ahead and join the second channel. If you haven't, make sure you do so that you can stay up to date with the latest AI news. Join the newsletter, join the Discord, follow me on Twitter. And lastly, make sure you guys subscribe, turn on the notification bell, take a look at our previous videos. But with that thought, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video and got some value, but I'll see you guys fairly shortly. Peace out, fellas.